And this is going to sound strange for a funnel cake,
My favorite this year is probably the orange chocolate one.
but it is Thai chicken.
Thai chicken.
We're partnering with the Catalyst Center to develop our funnel cake flavors for the 3rd annual Funnel Cake Festival at Lagoon.
We're in charge of marketing it, basically, and we have communicated with everyone, put the whole thing together to make it work.
My business students have been working with culinary art students, graphic design students, video production students, all here at the Catalyst on this event.
It really shows them all the different components that go into, putting out a new food item. It's not just coming up with an idea, it's testing that idea, seeing how it works,
We did taste test them to make sure they're, good.
and communicating with all the different components that go together when you're in business and working and putting a product out.
It's taught me so much communication. It's been pretty stressful, not gonna lie, but no, I've loved it.
I have worked with high school age students my whole career at Lagoon. Most of our employees are high school age students, and they always surprise you for their capacity, for professionalism, and they'll have a lot of unique perspectives.
Lets me know that we're in good shape for the future with these kids coming up.